Hi guys, today we're going to look at 4K integrated dashcam from FitCamX. We will be doing the installation in 2018 Toyota Prius. I'll show you what comes inside the box. First of all, we have the dash camera itself. As you can see, it is integrated into this black cover. And exactly the same one is also located on the windshield right here, and we will be replacing the original with this one. And as we said, the dashcam is already integrated, and that is exactly what makes it stand out between other dashcams on the market. We have one wire over here which will be connected to this T-splitter, so it's gonna be done like this, one connection. And the other connector will actually be connected to the existing connector underneath that black box, and the original connector will go right here, and this way the camera will get the power and your safety camera in the vehicle will have power as well. Another great advantage of having this T-splitter cable is that you don't have to route the wire all the way through the vehicle, through the A-pillar. We have airbags. Installation is very simple and all your wires will be in one place. This dashcam is quite simple. You only have two buttons, the power button and the photo button, and it already comes with 64 gigabyte SD card in the set. Besides that, in the set we have the trim removal tool, we have the SD card USB adapter, and we have the manual. And this particular model fits Priuses from 18 through 2022, and in case you have 2017, the black cover on the windshield is going to be very similar, but it actually does not work, and it has slightly different design and slightly different serial number, so it won't work with your 2017, but with 2018 it will. 2018 and up it will work, so you guys know. And by the way, yes, if you're interested, I will leave the link for this dashcam in the description as well. So first we'll have to remove the original cover. You have to push it down like this, and then we'll need to remove this black small section in the middle, this way. We'll show you again how the middle section was removed. You have to press on the side of these clips and then just push it down like this, and this will allow you to remove the middle section. Our next task will be to remove these red things here, and we'll have to transfer them to the new cover. So you need to use a screwdriver, just pry one side slightly and pry the bottom, and it should come out. And as I said, both of them go onto the new cover. And this is the connector that will be used to get the power for the dash cam, the original one. Now we will connect the T-splitter, and it goes inside the original camera, and this is how it looks. And right now we will install the cover with the camera. You have to align it properly and then simply push up like this. And the last step, connect the FitCamX with the T-splitter, and we need to hide the wires inside. And this is how it looks. As you can see, there is enough room for all the wires to be hidden inside. And now we are ready to reinstall the middle section. and there it is. I will turn on the power, and as you can see right here, we can see LEDs flashing. This means the camera is working. And right now I'll show you guys the FitCamX application. This can be used to control your camera. So what we need to do is we need to actually go to the device settings first, to the network Wi-Fi connections, and here you will see something like this, car underscore, in this case is MM703, etc. Just press that, and the password is gonna be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Press connect, and right now the dashcam is connected with our smartphone. Then you need to press access FitCamX, and right now the camera, well, the app will show you what the camera sees at the moment. Besides that, we have certain settings. Well, we can actually control it from here. We can pause the recording from here. We can start it again. We can take a picture this way, and we can in the settings we can actually turn on the sound recording, which I will do. We have the photo resolution options. We have video resolution. And as I said, it can record in 4K resolution, which is this one, 3840 by 2160. Right now it's 2K. You can set it to Full HD as well if you want to make the files smaller, but I will set it to 4K. Loop recording options. There are two options, 1 minute and 3 minutes. You can change the exposure. The video watermark is on. Among the advanced settings, we have the collision sensing. It's currently set to low. You can change that to some other options. That's when it will save certain files if it feels like the collision has occurred. Camera language, set it to English. And this is the Wi-Fi name. As I said, this is how it looks. This is the Wi-Fi option that we chose previously. The password, as I said, was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but you can set your own password right here. It shows you the firmware version, and you can also format SD card from here, which I will do right now. They do advise you to do it before you start using the camera. And here we have the currently recorded videos. Well, can't find any at the moment because I just formatted the SD card, but once it records some videos, you will see files here. I'll show you guys again. We have a couple of videos recorded, and here they are. And this is where you can actually view them. You can download them to your phone. You can delete them from here this way, but in my opinion the best option is to take out the SD card. You have to turn off the vehicle, make sure that your camera is not working, and just simply press on the SD card, take it out, and this way you can copy all the files. And we'll show you guys again how it looks like from the front. In my opinion, it's a great idea. It is well hidden from driver's view. It's not obstructing the view, that's what I mean. And it still captures, it's centered in the vehicle, and it completely captures the whole view in front of the vehicle. And right now we will show you how it records the video.